Did you know that a medium-sized potato has more potassium than a banana? Many people think of potatoes as just starchy carbs, but they're actually packed with nutrients. In this essay, we'll uncover the surprising health benefits of potatoes. Get ready to see this humble vegetable in a whole new light. For too long, potatoes have been unfairly demonized. They've been blamed for weight gain and blood sugar spikes. But the truth is, potatoes can be part of a healthy diet. It's all about how you prepare them and consume them. Stay tuned as we delve into the nutritional power of potatoes. You'll learn about the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants they offer. Plus, I'll share a special tip at the end to help you unlock the full potential of this amazing vegetable. Potatoes are a good source of energy-giving carbohydrates, but they also provide a surprising amount of essential nutrients. One medium potato contains about 26 grams of carbohydrates. This makes them a good fuel source for your body and brain. In addition to carbs, potatoes are rich in vitamin C. This vitamin is crucial for a healthy immune system and glowing skin. Potatoes also provide potassium, which is important for regulating blood pressure. Furthermore, potatoes contain B vitamins. These vitamins are essential for energy production and nerve function. Don't underestimate the nutritional power of a potato. One of the biggest myths about potatoes is that they are fattening. While it's true that fried potatoes or potatoes loaded with butter and sour cream can contribute to weight gain, potatoes themselves are not inherently fattening. In fact, potatoes are relatively low in calories. A medium-baked potato has only about 160 calories. It's all about how you prepare them. Choose healthy cooking methods like baking, boiling, or roasting. Another myth is that potatoes spike blood sugar levels. While potatoes do contain carbohydrates, they have a moderate glycemic index. This means they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, especially when consumed as part of a balanced meal. Section 4. Hidden benefits from gut to immunity. Beyond the well-known nutrients, potatoes offer some surprising health benefits. For instance, potatoes contain resistant starch, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotics feed the good bacteria in your gut, promoting digestive health. Additionally, potatoes contain antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Potatoes have also been linked to improved blood sugar control. The fiber and resistant starch in potatoes can help regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporating potatoes into a balanced diet may have positive effects on overall health. Section 5. Bonus tip. Unlock the full potential of potatoes. Ready for my bonus tip to maximize the health benefits of potatoes? Let them cool down after cooking. When potatoes are cooked and then cooled, they form more resistant starch. This means you get even more gut-healthy prebiotic fiber. So next time you boil or bake potatoes, let them cool completely before enjoying them. You can even use them cold in salads or other dishes. There you have it. The truth about potatoes and their surprising health benefits. What are your favorite ways to enjoy potatoes? Share your thoughts and recipes in the comments below.